Mas kami yung meetings ka.
Oh my God!
Okay na kaya?
What's up mga ka-charmers and welcome back to my channel, and today I went all the way to Binyan, Laguna just to try out this special restaurant. Take note, first cafe restaurant here in Binyan, Laguna. So hindi lang sila kilala sa baha at traffic, pero kilala din ito sa mga lugar na may mga masasarap na pagkain. Isa dito ay ang pinakaunang cafe here in Binyan, Laguna, which is the restaurant of Chef RB. It's right here, so it's a big house turned into a business or a restaurant in front. So it started as what? It started as a cake shop. Unang cake shop sila dito, and then eventually na-create nila as a cafe. And first pa rin guys, homegrown cafe here. And I can't wait to show you what's inside. So come on, come with me. Okay, so this place has inside and outside dining area also, and outside it's a pet-friendly zone. Pwede mong dalhin yung pets mo here and play with other pets. It's safe and they allow it. And at the same time, it's not just a restaurant, not just a house, but also a school kung kailangan mo mag-enroll at matuto ng skills sa baking. Ito po yun. Ito po yung pinaka-school niya sa likod. So, di ba? Kompleto na. So, I'm about to go inside and I can't wait to check out their food. Oh my gosh. Ito na, papasok na ako. Kita-kita tayo sa table. Okay, bye! It's eating time, OMG. So, meron sila mga rice plates, meron sila mga pastas. And then, later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga desserts. So, yung mga desserts, steak and mashed potatoes. Tender. Masarap yung gravy. Ang ginamit ay premium beef tenderloin, di ba? So, mo yan, premium. Okay guys, unang-una, putok-batok agad. Lechon, gusto mo yan? Crispy skin. Tikman natin. Oh my gosh, it's lechon time. How can you say no to pork, right? Pork is like the best. Masarap ng garlic rice nila. Ang juicy, malambot yung crispy lechon. Try natin ang balat. Gusto yung balat? Grabe crispy. Ang sarap. Ang crispy ng balat, sobrang crispy. Has been sitting there na matagal, like more than 30 minutes. Crispy pa rin. I mean, what's lechon without balat, diba? Sarap. Crispy yempo, guys. Yempo na breaded and deep fried. Grabe, let's try this with gravy and everything. Ring sarap! Ano mo, kahit deep fried siya, hindi siya matigas ha. Tama yung temperature, cooking method, cooking time. Chicken tocino. Yung chicken tocino nila, hindi masyadong matamis, no? Tapos, alam mo, tama yung luto kasi minsan masyadong nasusunog yung sugar, yung pinaka-glaze, kaya medyo mapait. Ito hindi, tama yung luto. Hindi masyadong oily. And homemade siya, homemade. Lahat pa rin ng dishes dito, all natural, no MSG ha. Here's the embutido, cheesy embutido. Ako na naman may opinion. So sa embutido, may raisin. Okay naman, hinahanap ko lang yung raisin. Pero baka ako lang, ang weird ko lang na may raisin yung embutido. Bangus, say bangus. Boneless, bangus, ganun din. Okay naman, maganda naman yung tip na ng bangus. Hindi balansa, masarap. Tapa, di naman yung buong garlic. Kaya sarap ng tip na ng tapa. I love their tapa, sarap. Ito naman tayo, mag-pasta tayo. Shrimp marinara pasta. Let's try the marinara. Medyo sweet side yung marinara nila. Sweet side, masarap naman. Di mo kailangan mag-cheese eh. Di ba normally binubudbud ng cheese, no? Lahat ng pasta dishes, 200 plus lang guys. Sobrang mura. Sausage and mushroom cream pasta. It's good. Gusto ko siya. Huwag na natin i-fork. Huwag na tayong plastic. Ispoon na natin. Ganun siya kasarap. Wala tayong social dito. Tayong dalaw lang naman nandito eh, di ba? Correction, alige pasta pa rin kanina kaya sobrang sarap. Ito pala yung sausage and mushroom creamy pasta. Kaya pala sarap ako. Alige kasi pala. Sakit sa batok na masarap. Pero hindi ko pala sumasakit yung batok ko. I mean, like, sakit batok sarap siya.
Pero ang pangalan talaga yung mga dips nila.
I like the alige so far sa pasta. Alige yung favorite ko. Si Lawrence, ikikwento yung salmon.
So yung salmon, masarap siya pero hindi ganong creamy. Pero medyo tangy kasi may lemon na kasama. Pero ayun, mas gusto ko sana na mas creamy pa siya. Pero all in all, okay naman siya. Out of all sa mga kinain natin pasta, yun yung mas gusto ko.
Okay guys, dessert naman. Yes, we're gonna eat dessert! Queso de bola, best seller. Oh my God! Sarap, besh. It doesn't look moist, but so moist inside. Grabe. See? Oh my gosh, look at this. Grabe. So, itong cake na to is Binyan's Pride, mga kaibigan. Naibigay na siya sa dalawang presidents. Cake number 2.
Okay na kaya?
Itong chocolate cake na to, hindi talaga masyadong matamis kaya masarap, no? Sarap. Cheesecake, blueberry. Gusto mo yun?
Pili na pala.
Puro to, pure na pure. Straight. Pure na pure, walang tinatago. Walang pa gelatin, puro. Okay, 4 cheese bibingka guys. Ito yun, medyo nabawasan na. Sa October, babalik to. February mawawala siya. So, abangan. Pero ito yung mga binabalik-balik ka ng mga tao dito. Hi?
We're sharing it.
Harap? Hindi ako makalet go. Hindi ko malet go yung plato. Sarap. Ube cheesecake. Kayo palang may ube cheesecake ba? Sila palang may ube cheesecake, guys. Pure ube daw to, guys. Pure ube. Ay, masarap. Pwede kasi ako sa ube. Bebe. Chocolate cheesecake. Guys, bawas na, sorry. Aha.
Pero mas gusto ko naman sa bebe.
My God, nakaka-comfort. Pag nakipag-break kayo, nakakainin mo. How's the red velvet ko? Sarap. Moist. Red velvet. Tapos gusto ko to. As may macarons sila. Sarap yung yellow. Lemon yun, no? Lemon. Sarap. Grabe. Ang pro, mga pastries sila dito is 130 generous serving. Guys, hindi siya yung maliliit na slices. It's huge. So yun na nga, oh my gosh, sobrang nabusog kami. I said it was worth the travel. By the way, from Mandaluyong, I went all the way to Binyan just to try this restaurant.
Saan? Mandaluyong?
Yes! It was worth the travel. Sobrang sarap from the dishes, the pasta, to the beverages, to the desserts. The most, yung desserts, grabe talaga. Sobrang perfect. So all the highlights are down below. All the details you need, all down below. And yeah, pretty much. Alright, so yun na nga na-emotibat ako that time. I'm sorry kung hindi ako pag-outro doon. But hey, okay na ang battery ko kaya baka pag-outro na ako dito. So overall, I enjoyed everything in Chef's Arby's restaurant in Binyan, Laguna. Lalo na yung mga desserts. Highlight talaga yung desserts. Yung queso de bola cake at yung 4 cheese bibingka, guys. Deadly then di talaga pamatay. So if you're from Laguna and you haven't been to this restaurant, you've been missing a lot. You must visit them right away. So their address and all the information that you need are once again down here. So check it out. And I suggest you share it to all your friends. Even people who are not from Laguna, you guys should travel all the way here and try the restaurant out. Grabe. Saan ako nakita? Tuesday. Punong-puno. Grabe, ganun po sila ka-popular. And hindi lang popular yun. Ibig sabihin, masarap talaga dishes nila. Man, I got so full that night. So anyways, that's it for me for today. If you guys like my video, give it a thumbs up. Kung merong dish dito na talagang sobrang nakapagpagutom sa inyo, please comment down below. I'll really read everything down there. At huwag na pong kalimutan to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell para update ko sa mga latest uploads ko dito sa YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you once again on the next jamming session only here at Champs Vlogs. Bye!